Hello, today I'm going to show you a few ways to draw a triangle. First, press the letter M for the rectangle tool or select it from the toolbar panel and draw a square. Then either press the minus key on your keyboard for the delete anchor point tool or select it from the toolbar panel. It is hidden under the pen tool. Now click on any of the anchor points to delete it. And we've got an isosceles triangle where both perpendicular legs are equal. If you would like to modify it, first switch to the direct selection tool and then drag a box around one of the anchor points to select it. Now click on it, hold and drag up or down. Click on the other anchor point and drag it right or left. Or you can do the same by pressing the right or left arrow keys on your keyboard. Another way to draw a triangle is by using the polygon tool, which is located under the rectangle tool. To do that, single-click on the artboard and change the sides to 3, then click OK. This will give you an equilateral triangle. You can also reshape it the same way like we did before. And of course, you can draw a triangle by using the pen tool. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.